Hey, namaste. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to FunMathology. I'm Raja, your math expert, and today our topic is playing with number patterns. We have done number patterns or the patterns in whole numbers in one of the videos. So, today we will be seeing how to play with the numbers or the number sequences. That is why the heading playing with number patterns. So first of all, let's see, it's the number patterns is a part of number theory. It's a branch of number theory. Got it? So it's a branch of number theory. So what is a number theory? A study of patterns in whole numbers. So number theory helps us to study patterns in whole numbers. So patterns in whole numbers. So what do we need to do? We need to understand certain sequences. So see, number sequences. So most basic and most fascinating types of patterns are there in number sequences. So we need to study number sequences. In what order the numbers are. What kind of operations are they following? So how to play with the numbers? So let us find out if the numbers are arranged in some patterns or not. If they are arranged in some patterns, this will help us in applying basic operations. Got it? Obviously, it will help us to do our operation much faster, much easier, and will help us to predict what would come next in the number sequences. Got it? So let's move to the next section. The biggest question is, why do you need to understand number pattern? Why do you need to understand the number pattern? Why? What is the reason? So let's see. Once you understand the number patterns, it builds a foundation for what? Computational thinking, problem solving, algebraic reasoning, logical reasoning, and flexible thinking. So you see, students, the more you solve, more you try to understand the patterns in number system or in whole numbers or in other number systems. So this will help you to build more powerful brain. So computational thinking, problem solving will increase, algebraic reasoning will increase, logical reasoning will sharpen, and your flexible thinking will get more sharpened. So obviously, once through this thought process and you have a developed brain power, this will allow you to make predictions. So what will come next? You can predict. You can simplify complex problems. This will help you to simplify complex problems. This will help you to understand and tackle more advanced mathematical concepts. So obviously, once you have a developed brain power, this thinking, this reasoning, this solving attitude, everything gets sharpened. What will happen to you? You will be able to understand and you will be able to tackle more advanced mathematical concepts. So got it? So this solves you a big question. So why do I need to do this? What is the basic, the reason behind it? So these are the reasons that you need to understand the number system. Now, so these are some known patterns that we have seen in the earlier classes. So let's recap them. So these are some of the known patterns. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ... to infinity. So these are counting numbers. See, these are counting numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, ... These are odd numbers. You have seen 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this sequence is even numbers. And 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, ... These are triangular numbers. We have gone through in the last class the triangular numbers. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49. What are these? These are squares. So you have gone through squares, you know. So there are the rows and the columns will be equal when you form squares by means of dots. I think you remember. The next one is 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and 216 comma dot dot. These are cubes. Okay, let's look at this series. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and so on and so forth. Now this series is very interesting. Now see, so this is Virhanka numbers. Now you might raise eyebrows. What is Virhanka? Now Virhanka numbers are ancient Indian form of Fibonacci sequences. So in mathematical world, in technology world, we have come across Fibonacci series. So what is this Fibonacci series? See, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. So if you add these two consecutive numbers, the next numbers forms. See, 2 plus 1 is 3, right? Now if you add 2 plus 3, you will get 5. If you add 3 plus 5, you get 8. If you add 5 plus 8, you get 13, so on and so forth. So we call it to be Virhanka numbers. It's an ancient Indian form. Generally people call it to be Fibonacci sequence. Got it? So let's come to the 8 sequence. So what is this? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. This is power of 2. So 2 to the power 2, 2 cube, 2 to the power 4, so on and so forth. And this is the last one, 9th, 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729 is the power of 3. So 3 to the power 1, this is 3 square, this is 3 cube, so on and so forth. So got it? So pause the video at any time if you want to take notes, take the notes. If you have any problems, put me in the comment box your questions and queries. Got it? So let's see some patterns and let's try to understand and let's try to predict what will come next. So let's see the first pattern. See, 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, so on and so forth. So check it out once, pause the video and try to understand what kind of sequence is this. See, 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Next, if you add them up, it comes 9. If you add them up, it comes 16. It comes 25. So now can you predict what will be the answer of this one without adding this huge sequence? If you know this pattern. So you see this one, right? So 2 into 2 is 4. Let's try to understand the pattern. Here this is 3, right? So if you multiply 3 by 3, this is 9. See, in the middle there is 4. So if you multiply 4 by 4, 16. Let's see what's in the middle. This is 5. So if you multiply 5 by 5, it's 25. Let's see in the given sequence what's in the middle. The middle is 6. So now you can predict. So 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. So see, understanding a pattern will help you to predict what will come next, or it will save a huge amount of time in certain operations. Like here, it's a huge sequence of addition. You don't have to add it if you know this pattern. Next, come to the next question. Add consecutive triangular numbers. You must have remembered what are the triangular numbers. That is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21 and 28, so on and so forth. So let's add them up. See, consecutive numbers, triangular numbers are added up. 1 and 3, 3 and 6, 6 and 10 and so on and so forth. So see, 1 plus 3 gives you 4, 3 plus 6 gives you 9, 6 plus 10 gives you 16, 10 plus 15 gives you 25, 15 plus 21 gives you 36. Now, if you add 21 and 28, what will be the answer? Now see, try to understand the pattern. So this might look easy to you, but in bigger numbers in a series, you need to understand the pattern, which will help you to do the summation very easily. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 6 is 9, right? 9 plus 10 is 16. So what is happening? So this is 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 4 square. Square means 4 into 4. 5 square. Square means 5 into 5. This is 6 square, means 6 into 6. So this will be evidently 7 square, which means 7 into 7, this is 49. See, if you add them up, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4. So see, it becomes easy, right? So let's jump to the third questions. So what is the third question? Start to add up powers of 2. Start to add the powers of 2. Start to add the powers of 2 starting with 1. That is, take 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, right? So you see, these are all powers of 2. So 2, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power cube. So you are starting what? As you have seen, the power of 2, right? So where is it? So here, see, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. So you are just adding what? You are just adding consecutive power of 2, right? So 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, so on and so forth. Now let's see. See, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. So let's see what are the result of these additions. So obviously 1, this 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. Now 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 is 15, 31 and so on and so forth. Now they have asked you to add 1 to each of these results. So add 1 here, add 1 to this summation, 1 to this summation, 1 to this summation and so on and so forth. So let's add 1 here, this comes 2. Let's add 1 here, this comes 4. Let's add 1 here, this is 8. Add 1 here, this is 16. Add 1 here, this is 32. Now, can you find a resemblance with any other series that we have just learned? So this is nothing but power of 2. Amazing, isn't it? See, so we are adding up the powers, the consecutive, the powers of 2. 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. Then with the result, we are just adding 1. And this beautiful sequences just pops up. Got it? It's wonderful, isn't it? Okay. So next move. See, there are 4 patterns, right? So let's come one by one. So in exam, you might be given certain patterns and might be asked to predict what will be the next 2 patterns. So for example, 37, 1, 3, see, this is what 111, this is 222, this is 333. So if you understand the pattern, the consecutive predictions will be 444, this will be 555. Similarly, if you move to the next one, you try to understand the pattern. See, this is 9, 98, 987. So minus 1 for each digit. So it will come 9876. And this one will be 98765. Got it? So this becomes very easy once you know this pattern. So what will be this? Question number 6. The 2 consecutive results will be, so there is 3 1, so 4 1, then 0. This is 5 1, then 0. Got it? So let's study this pattern also. So for each there is an increase of 8. So in the 4th one you will have 5 8. In the 1 2 3 4 5, in the next one you will have 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. Got it? Very simple. And an 8 is added to every result. Now before I leave the session, I'll ask a quiz. If you can solve it, Please let me know in the comment box. See, in this question, the question number 5, right? Can you say how this pattern works? Do you know the logic behind it? How we are coming up to this answer for each and every one? Please try to find out the pattern, how this works, right? So we'll meet in the next session. Well, thanks for watching. If you like